The latest issue of Realtà MAPEI North America is available now, and I thought that I would take just a few minutes to tell you a little bit about what you can find inside. Our cover story takes us to Seattle. Actually, it takes us under Seattle for a look at the Bellevue Tunnel and the work that our UTT team did there, applying products. And it's more of an adventure story than a project story, so I'm going to let you read that and discover for yourself just what it takes to apply waterproofing under a city, under the water, to create a tunnel. It's really a good read. From Seattle, we travel to California, to a project that is near and dear to my heart, and that's the Oroville Theater. The Oroville Theater is a historic theater, but like many others, she had fallen on hard times. She was looking a little less than. So they reached out to our concrete restoration team, and using repair mortars and high-performance coatings. That's right, I said high-performance coatings, we have a line. They restored her to her former glory. It's a great read, and you should check it out. From California, we travel to Gatineau, Canada, for the installation of our radiant floor heating product, MAPEI. A luxury spa took our product and quickly and efficiently installed it in all their rooms, creating warmth that radiates up quickly, efficiently, and very, very smartly. It's a great, great product, great project. And I, for one, cannot wait to go and check it out as soon as these borders open up. There's another project that we're very proud to present, and that's work that our Italian colleagues did on the caissons that house the locks in the Venice Lagoon. These locks, you may remember, were raised during the last Acqua Alta, and they saved that historic city for the first time in its entire history from flooding. And that was due in part to MAPEI technology. We're very proud of that work. We're very proud to be able to share that article with you. As you can see, we have a wide variety of solutions for a wide variety of problems. Whether you need to save a historic city, whether you need to build a tunnel, whether you need to repair a cracked facade. Of course, we also have a wide selection of mortars and grouts. This magazine includes many other projects, but I'm hoping that you will pick it up and read it to find out. Please enjoy. Happy reading. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.